YouTube, this is Discorded Soul, and today I have quite the package to open up for you guys. Yes, it is a mini fridge indeed, and it's a pretty cool one. So I'm going to get it opened up for you guys. Just get my scissors. I'm actually going to shift to putting it on the floor so I can open it better. So let's get it opened up. And it says fragile all over it, which is good. And handle with care. Don't mind Skittles. He likes to be loud. There's one flap open. There's another flap. There we go. So it's all opened up. And it's a box. It's a box within a box. I'm going to try and get this out. There we go. And there we go. And looks pretty cool. So what the front of it looks like. Keep your favorites chilled. And it's by Smoko, so be sure to check them out. So I'm going to open it up more. There's a little tab right here. It's all styrofoamed in here. I'm going to take this out. It really packed it in here good. There's some styrofoam. Got a little handle on it, so I'm going to take it out. Is there anything else in here? No. Alright, so here it is. I like that it has a handle. So let's see. Let's get this off. Okay. Alright, I think I got it off. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. It's a Boba tea mini fridge. It's quite small actually. Let's see if I can open it up. The handle's right here. Oh wow, that's cool. So I'm going to put this stuff in here. There's the contents, and I believe I'm going to put this in here. There we go. Pretty cute. It's originally from makeup, but you can put other things in here. So here's the cord. What the heck? One's like a car adapter. That's interesting. Alright, so let me look at the instructions. One you can literally plug it into a car. That's interesting. Never seen that. I mean, I guess if you have it in like a trailer or something, that makes sense. So plug it in the back. And it goes, you can switch it to hot, cold, and off. I'm going to have it off for now. Alright, so There we go. And I'm gonna set it aside and put it in a different part of my room, in here. But it's very adorable. I love it. And it has a little straw part. And you can put this up or down. I'm gonna have it down. But it's very adorable. I love boba tea. It's so good to drink. And luckily, there's a couple places local that make bubble tea. It's pretty good. So, yeah, I'm gonna move on to the next package. Alrighty guys, so next up I have this to open up. It's all the way from China and it's from Poroful. She makes cool pins. And I've been waiting for this one for a while. She lives in China, so it took a little bit, but it was well worth the wait. Else. So this is her business card. Be sure to check her out. That's very cute. Very cute business card. And this is adorable as well. It's a little card. And be sure to check her out as well. Use clouds for 10% off your next order. Awesome. And these are the pins. So we have this one, Totoro, laying on some pancakes. Very cute. And we have this one, Mew, shiny Mew and regular Mew, and it's very adorable. And that's going to be added to my Mew pin collection. Ooh, and she sent stickers. She sent Totoro, Cat Bus, and this one's from, what's the movie called? Princess Mononoke. So that's pretty cool. So I love stickers so much. So, yeah, those are the pins I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!